everyone. Welcome to Planet Webinar Series 2022 Tech Trends with CEO. I'm Chloe Su, the Marketing Manager of Planet Technology and your moderator for today. I'm very excited here to introduce our presenter for today's webinar, CEO and Chairman of Planet Technology, Mr. Jack Chen.
Hi.
Jack will very soon share his thoughts with us on 2022 tech trends and to discuss digital transformation and intelligent network infrastructure, followed by a presentation from our product director, Ken Khan, to show you Planet solutions in more details. And then we will finish the webinar with a live Q&A session with our CEO, Jack, at the end of this webinar. So again, just to remind everyone to leave your questions to the chat room anytime during the webinar, or to send your inquiries to sales@planet.com.tw, and we will have someone to help you during the webinar. Now let's get started.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining the webinar today. My name is Jack Chen, the CEO of the Planet Technology. It's a pleasure to see you all here online. Has been a long time since we last met in person at the exhibition due to the COVID-19 pandemic. To start our webinar today, I would like to do a little introduction of the Planet first, before I share my thoughts with you about the future trend in 2022. As many of you may have already known, Planet was established in 1993 and went public in 2003. With strong R&D capability, we provide our worldwide customer with quality made in Taiwan networking products. As we have been cultivating in this industry for almost 30 years, we have partners and distribution channels across the world in more than 140 countries. Also, Planet has closely linked to corporate social responsibility (CSR) strategy with international ESG practice and sustainability. So, to start our topic today on the technology trend in 2022, I'm sure all of us know about the digital transformation, and now heavily it is affecting every part of our life. For the last couple of years, the COVID-19 pandemic dramatically speed up the process of the digital transformation as we are forced to work, shop, and basically do everything online. To be more precise, the pandemic greatly changed our daily work routines to the extent that we have to work from home, therefore enhancing the digital transformation, which saw a huge demand for intelligent networking. Whether it is for fulfill the demand for remote work or simply for improving the overall business efficiency and operations, we are definitely in the digital era. That means more vertical markets are implementing IoT, AIoT solutions to increase productivity, efficiency, and safety. So, we see the strong demand for intelligent networking infrastructure continues to increase in 2022 as digital transformation accelerates. In the past, when we hear 3G or 4G, it is mainly for telecommunications. But with the introduction of 5G technology, has become more than that. 5G is very important and it is the foundation for the next stage of the 6G or the LEO satellite internet technology. Another important aspect of the 5G is the enterprise private network. It is an advancement to the further enhanced network infrastructure to verticals such as factory automation, enterprise, transportation, or even smart city. It is the key to creating an effective IoT infrastructure environment. And we now see more business using the 5G for IoT applications. So we keep expanding on our 5G related product profile to meet this demand. According to the market survey, 5G is estimated to cover 40% of the global network by 2024. This will in turn push to accelerate more IoT-related infrastructure as the demand for a better and smarter network infrastructure continues. The same can be said for Wi-Fi 6, which we can definitely expect to be the major industry standard during 2022. So we will also see many products and solutions integrating Wi-Fi 6 as well as 5G technology. When talking about 5G, we also need to mention the trend for IoT applications, such as utilizing LoRa technology for long-range data transmissions. Many large verticals require data to be sent across long distance, and LoRa is the best industry standard tool for performing such tasks. We have a long history and experience to develop our own unique product and solutions for LoRa technology for use in the market. Later, I will have my colleague, Chen, introduce more of our product that fully embrace LoRa, 5G, and Wi-Fi 6 technologies. Here, I also want to emphasize the importance of cybersecurity in digital transformations. The cybersecurity market revenue was about $160 billion in 2021, and its estimate will reach about $350 billion by 2027. With more network connectivity and implementation of IoT and 5G, the business will need to build a well-secured infrastructure to protect themselves. Demand for cloud security for platform is also increasing, since we have been seeing more hybrid work environment in the past years. So it is obvious that having a protective network infrastructure will be extremely important during this digital transformation, which is why Planet has determined to provide the latest cybersecurity protection with our network devices, which we will discuss more in detail later on in our presentation. With nearly 30 years of experience with developing network transmission products and solutions, especially in the PoE arena, the advantage of Planet is utilizing the vast and leading PoE technology experience, unique features, and exclusively development technology to the application of new platforms. No matter for the industrial, all the commercial applications, we hope to make the best use of our PoE solutions with these advanced and unique features. And because there are more and more IoT and digital applications, the demand for higher bandwidth network transmissions increases, of which you can expect Planet to develop more and more products like the 10G, 40G, 100G switches, and announce to the market that can be used for fast IoT application and increase the overall network performance. I will now invite my colleague Kent to discuss Planet solutions and the unique advantage in more detail in order to give you a better idea of how we can help this process of digital transformation.
Hello everyone, I'm Kent, the Product Director at Planet Technology. I would like to talk about how we implement our own solutions to the new era of digital transformations. As you can see on the slide, Planet has a comprehensive list of IP-based network infrastructure solutions, including Industrial Ethernet, Power over Ethernet, Fiber Optics, 5G NR, cybersecurity, and universal network management systems to make business operators faster, more efficient, and more secure. Like Jack has said, 5G and Wi-Fi 6 are not simply a demand anymore. They had become more of a standard and required for many verticals. Critical infrastructures, such as railway and factories, where faster response time is everything, require these technologies to provide higher data rate to support new applications and increase network capacity with the ability to connect more users and devices. Planet's network devices provide critical environments with the faster and secure network infrastructure it needs. As you can see in this image, environments such as public transportation can implement our 5G NR IoT gateway to provide accurate data of current locations of the bus and the internet access to onboard passengers, all the while sending data to remote control centers for up-to-date information. All this can be managed with our own in-house software that allow users to easily monitor the network. Another important wireless network technology is utilizing LoRa in industrial environments. A large manufacturing environment may need to continuously and efficiently transmit low data rate information from sensors at a long distance. Planet's LoRa AIoT solution helps users easily implement LoRa technology solutions. Our LCG300 series features the LoRaWAN gateway function and nodes with sensors like a water meter, gas monitoring, and more. Transmit the data to the gateway, which then sends the information to the network server and distributes the information to each application server. Just like with our 5G and Wi-Fi 6 solutions, users can monitor their LoRa network with our own Planet network management software. We are always improving our network security solutions by listening to our customers and seeing how we can improve their experience. The recent rise in a hybrid network environment is an example of Planet designing a well-protected security network infrastructure for users based on their demands. Our network security solution includes features such as 5G NR, Wi-Fi 6, and LoRa. It also contains built-in SD-WAN for efficient network distribution, SPI firewall for high efficiency and extensive protection, SSL VPN, IPsec, PPTP, L2TP, GRE server, and for secure data communication, and TLS, SMP secured protections for end-to-end data encryption between applications. Monitoring all the connected devices and networks can be difficult. This is why Planet designed the Universal Network Management Systems to help monitor and manage all the wired and wireless network devices in one place, such as switches, media converters, routers, smart AP, VoIP phones, and IP cameras that are compliant with the MQTT, SMP, UNVIF protocols, and Planet Smart Discovery utility. Our management system provides a constant update on all your devices and networks, and sends alerts to you if it detects any abnormal events in the network. One of Planet's expertise is creating network solutions for industrial environments. Our industrial Ethernet and automation solution features security management, user-friendly product design, and easy integration with SCADA HMI system, guarantees reliable data transmission for all applications, like environments with extreme temperature, rain, and other elements. Certified with CE, FCC, Heavy Industrial EMC, EN 5155, and EMARC. Our solution provides a completed product portfolio for network infrastructures such as industrial IoT, Internet of Vehicle, factory automation, and intelligent transportation system. As a pioneer in network equipment innovation, Planet has a full range of PoE product lines, from power sourcing equipment to PoE-powered devices that covers both commercial and industrial-grade applications. We offer reliable power and data transmission. They feature 802.3bt PoE++ standards, easy-to-use touch LCD screen, long-reach PoE technology over coaxial cable, phone wire, or UTP cabling, and Planet-exclusive intelligent PoE management functions. All the equipment can be used for IP surveillance, IP communication, PaaS system, PoE lighting, and more. Lastly, our renewable energy network management has become one of our highly acclaimed products and solutions. Designed for off-grid renewable energy applications, Planet NNS 360 Renewable Energy Management Controller Series is the world's first controller integrated with green technology and intelligent PoE management functions. When paired with our BSP 360 Renewable Energy PoE switch, the controller provides detailed information on devices, network status, green power, PoE power usage, and more. Through web management, IT staff is able to centrally monitor and control the network of remote area without going to the actual site. The BSP 360 also helps to reduce CO2 emissions yearly by 0.687 tons with its green technology design. This means during a decade, one NS360 controlling over 500 BSP 360 reduced more than 3,500 tons of CO2 emissions, which equals to CO2 reduction from over 290,000 trees. All the products and the solutions I have mentioned can be used in applications such as AIoT, industrial automation, intelligent transportation system, and more, making Planet's network solution highly adaptable and very flexible. Thank you everyone for listening. Now I will hand it back to Jack.
As you may have seen from Ken's presentations, Planet is constantly evolving with the current trend and the demands, while providing innovative technology to move the industry forward. So for the future outlook of 2022, as digital transformation continues, we will definitely see more business implement intelligence into their workflow to increase operation efficiency, such as IoT, automation, and AI, just to name a few. Like I have mentioned in the beginning, 5G and Wi-Fi 6 will become a requirement and standard, since the speed will continue to be a major step toward digitalization with the increase in data information exchange. Digital transformation will also continue the focus on sustainability as well, since utilization applications such as IoT can help to reduce carbon emissions and increase energy efficiency. As sustainability issues has been highly stressed worldwide, ESG has become important for companies more than ever now. Planet strongly focuses on sustainability issues and continues to take action to give back to the community. Our pursuit toward meeting ESG goals over the years has given us not only recognition and achievement for being the leader in network technology, but also our company's contribution to society, such as preaching top 1 for 2021 Corporate Citizenship Award, ranked in the top 5% of the corporate governance evaluation list in the Taipei Stock Exchange Corporate Government Index since 2015 and more. In the future, Planet will continue to actively improve the performance of ESG practices, including our existing green product development, employee dedications, and social community engagement. To conclude for today, we have experienced a huge change in the waves of our life in 2021. Is the pandemic nearly over? We don't know. But stress can sometimes be opportunity, and opportunities are always for the people who are well prepared. As the pandemic has dramatically accelerated digital transformation and the implementation of the intelligent network infrastructure demands, Planet is prepared for change, and we will continue to provide leading solutions and to do our best in our commitment to mutual growth with our partners worldwide.
Thank you, Jack, for sharing your thoughts with us on the tech trends and the future outlook of 2022. Now we will come to our Q&A session right now. And we do have a lot of questions coming in prior to the webinar today. So we will try to get to as many as possible, since it's a very special opportunity for our CEO to hear answer live. Okay, now let's take a look at our questions here. So the first one here, someone is asking, what are Planet's advantages compared with other competitors? So Jack, can we help them with this one?
Yes. So our experience definitely a major advantage compared to the competitors. We have been in this industry and managing our own brands for almost 30 years. So we understand the needs and the demands of the market very well. And our rich experience also allow us to develop new technology much faster than our competitors. And we are able to use our strong R&D team to develop product and solution that can meet a lot of the different demands. We also have vast worldwide partners in over 140 countries. What this means is our technology can quickly reach many businesses and projects around the world with our trusted partners.
Yes, so we do see our worldwide partners all with us here in the webinar today. And now let's take a look at the second question. So the second one we have here is, what is Planet's business development plan for the future?
That's a good question. Like I have mentioned before, since we have been active for such a long time, we are able to build a good reputation and get many worldwide partners that are willing to work with us. In the future, we will continue to provide and maintain our good relationship with our partners by listening to market demand, bringing unique features, and the best price performance for network transmission products. At the same time, our future business plan also including venturing out into our area besides our core network transmission product, such as edge network like IoT transmission and 5G.
I see, okay. So for our next questions, here someone is asking, what's Planet's solution to deal with cost rising and material shortages, especially during this period when the COVID pandemic is around us?
This is definitely a concern for many of us in the industry. Cost rise and material shortage is global issues. Almost all suppliers are facing the same dilemma, but we try our best to keep the best price and also plan ahead to obtain IC raw materials as soon as possible. We also have comprehensive list of the product for many different applications that can be used as alternative, and we will be able to continue to help customers run their business or projects.
Okay. Okay, I know you wish to hear more from Jack. Excuse me. But that's about time for us today. So Jack, would you like to say something before we finish our webinar today?
Well, I just want to give my thanks again to everyone that joined the webinar. We really appreciate your time with the world beginning to open up again. I hope we can all meet face to face at exhibition again soon. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Jack.
Bye-bye.
And we will keep the chat room open for more of your questions to come in if you still want to ask something. And just to let everyone know that Planet has arranged many physical and online events for 2022. For example, the upcoming IC West in Las Vegas from March 23rd to 25th. So come visit us in person, and you will also be expecting to see more of us from our worldwide events this year. Again, if you wish to know more about Planet, please visit our website at www.planet.com.tw. Thank you, Jack, for joining us today, and thank you all for coming. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.